all of my students are requested to put your microphone on to our champion, William Attipoe, who was yesterday in the class, but he already had passed.
Congratulations, Williams.
He had no.
Congratulations.
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 Okay, this was, now I'll now, where are you, William? All of you put your hands down. All of you.
I'm here.
Where are you? Okay. You need to put your hands down, otherwise I can't move William. All of you put your hands down, otherwise I can't move this guy. He'll remain there. Yesterday he was there. Actually, he had given his exams. But he did not know if he passed or not. And he was there in the class. Blessing will not put her hand. I'll put it down. Just now I can just hold on. Huh? I cannot move people till somebody's hands is raised. There you are. Put some light on. Let us see your face. We just see darkness. We just see a shadow of somebody talking.
Can you see me now?
Yeah. No, not yet. Okay, this is the best you can give. No problem. But no, don't worry. They saw your picture. Very handsome guy in a suit. Okay, now it's a very bit better. We want to see the happiness in your face. The smile. Tell me, William. You must tell us all the journey when you first discovered Ambrish Quick Patente. You entered your first days and the whole journey and your exams and now, so that because that way they will also know that they are going through the same situation you went before and you went successful. They will also tell me.
Oh yeah, actually, you know, before then I asked because a friend of mine gave me your number. But because of my work and due to one or two things, so I thought it was a doubt, it won't be possible. Because I started going to the school, but I'm not having the time to. But I think be at home, maybe anytime at all I come, maybe I can acquire small knowledge from here and then add it to whatever that I'm learning. So I decided to give it a try. And bit by bit, actually, I've tried once because I was a bit nervous and then there's a pressure too, and a whole lot of one or two problems, so I couldn't because it seems like I couldn't go according to the instructions and the directions. And in fact, it was really it pains me a lot. So that's why even the second time when I was going, I don't even tell you, I don't inform you anybody because
you don't want to same mistakes, guys.
Yeah, I don't want to make a second mistake. So actually, when we were trained, we sat down. The first question when he come, I don't understand, so I just brush it off. So I go through. When I go through, I did the 29 questions. For there, I was very sure that for that one, I'm sure that I got it correct. Then I come back to the first that one I already know. Then I did it, and I did it. In fact,
hey, William, just thank you. Let me tell them. Let me update them. William was ready much before, and he was perfectly ready. We had done SCADA together, and I told him what to do, things to do. Now, when he went there, he understood everything. But then I told him also a couple of things. I don't do these things. And when he did those things, which I told him not to do, then he made a mistake. So now, for the second time he went, maybe we didn't talk, but he used the instructions I gave him for the first time to make sure that he doesn't do the same mistake again. That's why he's telling you that I left the one and he went back, and then I just went back to the one that I was changing, so that other people know what we're talking about. So he didn't pass in the first attempt, the second attempt.
Yeah. But in fact, it was me. I was very sure because I got 28 correct, and even there was a how come because we went there three, one Italian and one Albanese, and they all failed. So later they will ask me what happened, and so me too, I don't know what happened. I just know that I passed. So that's how we tell you, because yesterday I have to go to the school, go and take my report and make sure that it's true that I fast, because all those I went with they can speak well, they all fail. So I have to be very sure that is it true that I also pass or not. That's
Yes.
why I couldn't tell you anything in the initial
Very
stage.
Right. All right, William. So I'm very happy that you passed, and remember that I've done my job. What I delivered, I promised to deliver. If you want my help for the main license, also get in touch with me 4 days before. 4 days before.
I'm very grateful. Thanks so much for your time and everything. Okay, I really appreciate that. Thanks
Most
so much.
welcome. You can tell your friends about us when you can tell them.
I will.
All right. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Thanks so much.